A naughty dog. Little Tom was a lovely boy. He was 1 year old and he had a dog. The dog's name was Sunny. One day, little Tom's mother gave chocolate ice cream to him. He was about to eat the ice cream, but suddenly Sunny rushed to little Tom's high chair. He was scared and he dropped the ice cream on the floor. Sunny went to the ice cream and started licking it. The dog was happy, but little Tom was very sad. After that, Mother saw that little Tom was crying and the ice cream was on the floor. Mother was angry. Finally, Mother bought another chocolate ice cream for little Tom. Little Tom shared the ice cream with Sunny. They were both happy. Mother was happy too.